Well, that's an interesting arrangement. 3 torpedo boats. Lots of torpedo boats on this map, eh?
Good day.
Well, hello to you too, Sir Booty Hunter.
Hello.
Let's do this.
Oh yeah, we'll be doing it alright. I don't know what we're going to be doing, but we're going to be doing something. Oh, he's changed tactic now, wants to go over this way. I know who he's looking at. Old ship sucks has taken a bit of a hit. You get out of this, get out of my cap. Go on, off you go. We're having a party in the other room. My Brazilian friends are all over. Do we have an aircraft carrier? Yeah, we do. Haven't seen any planes. Guess that's going to stop soon. Jeez, you copped another hiding, didn't you? Is there another? Oh, I've gone a bit too far there. Yeah, I saw that guy there. Out of the corner of my eye. I don't want to lose this cap because I know there's a shim out there that's just going to get it when he comes. Could give the aircraft carrier some annoying shots, but I'll wait till I'm targeted, eh? Backwards. Oh. You're going too well, so we're going to give you this. Yeah, not so much. This guy's just gone backwards the whole game, eh? He must be hating it. Still going backwards, man. Bro, just, no, bro. Taking an aircraft carrier out in this game is just a nightmare. Why are they going to win? Oh, because they've got 4 more. Yeah, so what we did there is we generally attacked the aircraft carrier because we've got great anti-air. So if he comes to me, all these planes die and then they take another 25 seconds to respawn because you've destroyed them all. And it gives your other players in your team just breathing space to let them just go about their business without being mosquito bombed by this air cancer that is air cancer. So that's why we went down into the centre there and had a couple of shots of the aircraft carrier. The aircraft carrier's got 60,000 hit points. Hitting it with 150, per shot is going to take me 6 minutes, man, to kill it. I mean, I shot that Iowa about 150, 200 times, man. Still 1/3 of its health still there, so there's no way I'm taking out an aircraft carrier to Firesland. No way, man. Not unless I've got some sort of magic. I can't do it. Ram it. Anyway, let's have a look at. Yeah, fairly even across the board, eh? Oh, we got MVP. Good job, boys. Yeah, it doesn't surprise me. Our aircraft carrier was on the back foot pretty much the whole game. Killed 2, didn't kill any. Anyway, thanks for watching.